Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing a little bit different of a video. So this is a smaller product. The company asked to make a separate video for it. I don't really like making separate videos for smaller items, but we're just going to do it. So this is the all-in-one selfie stick by Elegiant. Really good company. Basically you can use this as a tripod for your mobile devices as well as mini cameras like GoPros and stuff. And it also works as a selfie stick like it says right here. Notice something different. I'm not going to be wearing gloves anymore, but as you can see on the left side of the box, it says wireless connection. This does have a Bluetooth dongle to be able to use like basically a shutter button. It says it has a one button control, lightweight and compact, all-in-one design, and it has a placeable holder. On the back of the box, it just says how to use the device, basically a quick start guide on the back. And then on the right side of the box, it just shows you what you can use this for. It's aluminum and other information. So let's just get straight into it. This is a budget option if you want to make something portable and basically last a long time. On the top you have the extra mounting accessory. This is for the GoPros / smaller cameras. And then right here you just have the tripod, and it also comes with a carrying pouch, which is really nice. So this is the carrying pouch. It's actually pretty good quality. So as you can see, Elegiant, this retails for like less than 15 bucks. The inside is pretty nice as well. And here's the tripod. So like I said, it does work with phones as well as mini cameras. I'm gonna go ahead and get a device. So this is my phone. Here is the device, Elegiant on the front. This is just, I guess for looks, it's not a button. And then on the back, you have nothing really. This looks like a shiny metal, but it's not. So lifting up, you go ahead and put the device in right here. So there's two little flaps here. So it's really good because it gets really portable and very travel friendly. You just put your device in here, and this part does stretch, so you can put bigger phones in there as well. So let's go ahead and put a device here. There we go. The shutter button is hidden and does have a pull tab here for the battery. A really cool thing about this is that you can just pop out the actual shutter button. Just pop out the shutter button like that, and then you can put it on a tripod and use it that way, or you could just keep it in here and use it that way. It's really, really convenient. I actually really like that. Really cool. And this does obviously extend. It gets really lengthy. I'm probably gonna throw in some B-roll here showing how tall it gets. It gets really tall. We're gonna go ahead and close this real quick. You can adjust this so you can bring it down, and it does stay into place, so even if you shake it, it won't fall even further. It just stays in that spot. It's really sturdy. I really like that about this. Obviously it does have a tripod like I said, so you just go ahead and pull from the bottom on each end, and then you do that. You do have to push this part up to extend it from the top like this, however you want. And then you got your little tripod here. So you can record videos or take a selfie that way. You can take the shutter button with you. So if you need to take a selfie on your own from far distance or whatever, you can just do that, put it to Bluetooth, and you're good to go. That's extremely helpful that it comes with that. Basically the shutter button won't get lost because you could just put it back in this place whenever you need it to. And you can technically use this as an even taller tripod. You can adjust the height to go even taller. I don't recommend putting it outside if it's a windy day, because this probably will tip over, but this is, I mean, really good. It's obviously made out of aluminum, so it's pretty sturdy. This is a really, really good portable and affordable option. I'm gonna show you how to add the camera attachment. There's a little knob right here. Just go ahead and undo this part. There we go. And then just lift this part up like that. Now, you're gonna need this piece, and then the included pieces right here, which are in a bag. So go ahead and get this. So you're gonna go ahead and put this part right here on the non-flat piece. You can go ahead and screw it in there. There we go, just like that. And then you're gonna go ahead and put this like that. And then when you put this piece back, make sure all the holes line so they're straight, and then you can go ahead and start twisting this in. And there we go, it's tightened. So now you can go ahead and add a mini GoPro or a camera there. Probably throw in some B-roll about that as well, but at the time of recording, I'm already using my camera. It does work pretty well, so if you want to use this as like a mini stabilizer, it kind of does work. Obviously, you do have to have somewhat steady hands, just a nice firm grip, but it gives you more like aspect of holding something because you have that actual firm grip of this rather than the camera, where if it's super small, it's not going to have good stabilization with that small steadiness. This definitely would be more helpful. You can have it both ways. If you really need to use the mobile one, keep it on here. Tiny camera or GoPro, you can keep this one on, or you could just put this one, the mobile one, on here at all times, and then just put this in the bag. However you want to do it. Personally, I just keep this part in the bag and keep this in here as well. I don't really want to use the mobile one, but you know, it's in the bag just in case, and it all does fit. Really compact, as you can see. Now the pairing process for the shutter button is actually pretty simple. You go into settings, go to Bluetooth, and then just go down, press and hold the shutter button until it flashes blue, and then you go ahead and connect it. It's right here, Elegiant EGS, and then that will basically set the button up and you're good to go. So then just go to camera. I'm not too sure if this will work on third-party camera apps, but it does work on the normal one. And yeah, obviously this works for other devices as well. It's just a Bluetooth connection. So as you can see, I have it up right here. I don't know if you can see my screen. I'm going to turn up the brightness. Take a picture really easily. You could also hold it to turn it off. So as you can see, it no longer works. If you hold it to press it on, then it lights up and you're good to go. And now it doesn't have a flip mode, which kind of sucks, but you have to manually flip it. And you can also obviously do it with video. So you can go ahead and press that and it'll go with video. So if you need to like get a wider range of something, like something underneath a desk, or I don't know, something that's really far away from your reach, you can go ahead and use it like that to look somewhere. Or you can go ahead and use it as a selfie stick. Just flip the camera and then you can go ahead and press the shutter button, and then you can do it that way. And as you can see, you can go ahead and tilt it. It doesn't have the selfie stick in its way, which is really cool. Flip it all kinds of ways. It's really helpful. And then obviously you can change it back and then put it to its tripod mode. So as you can see, we have it in its tripod mode. You can go ahead and take off the shutter button. You can go like, I don't know, 10 feet away or something. And then I have the shutter button right here. You can't really see it, but I have the shutter button in my hand. You can go and click it. As you can see, we are recording now. So that's really simple, really cool. So that's all you have to do, and that's pretty much all the product. I do like it. It does really work. And obviously you can adjust it however you want. So you can move this angled however you want. It's really cool, really amazing. So I highly recommend this product. If you want to check it out, it's in the link in the description down below. See you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.